everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add different data types in Python, a string, a float, and also the integer, using casting to change data types before adding them together. So first, we need to find our PyCharm app. And then, right-click the project 1. Go to New and Python file. And put problem number 20. So after that, we need to put the code of problem number 20. So that's all the code of the problem number 22. So first, I created a variable named var a and give it to the value of 50 inside quotation marks. So because it has quotation marks, it is a string, data type, or a text. So the second line, I made a variable named var b with the value of 3.5. So this is a float data type because it has a decimal point. Then the third line is I made another variable named varc with a value of 40. So this is an integer data type because it's a whole number. So the next line after that, I use int with open and close parentheses to convert var a from string to integer. So I did this so that Python can add it together with the other numbers. So the last line is print the open parentheses, quotation mark, the sum is, and then result close parentheses. So this tells line Python to show the message the sum is followed by the value stored in sum result. It displays the final answer of the addition. So now let's try to run. So the output is 93.5. So the output shows the sum is 93.5 because the program added the numbers 50, 3.5, and 40 after converting the strings 50 into an integer. So the total is 93.5 and the value is displayed together with the message of the print line. So that's all. Thank you.